guys, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Today I have a makeup inspired by Christmas and I have a total of 2 different festive makeup looks this entire Vlogmas for you guys. So one of it is very edgy, something completely different, very sultry. And today I'm gonna be doing a very everyday cutesy Korean style kind of festive makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna start with my Tarte base tape. This is a primer and it's a hydrating primer, and I really like using hydrating primers on top of skincare because that really helps to make my skin really glowy and nice. For today's foundation, I've decided to go with something very dewy and everyday, very natural coverage. Just start from the center of my face and drag it outwards. So you can see how the coverage is very kind of light and it just gives the skin a very nice skin-like finish. I really like this very kind of glow from within kind of look. It has a very nice crystal clear kind of skin finish. So for concealer, I'm just going in with my I'm Mimi concealer. This one is quite an everyday concealer. I wouldn't say it's like best, but it does its job. And I'm just gonna go in, just conceal my under eye circles. Honestly, I'm not gonna do much with my brows. I'm just gonna tint them. I'm using my Etude House Color My Brow. And the reason why I'm not filling them in much today is because I really want a very diffused, very soft and kind of cutesy type of look. For the eyes, I'm using Etude House Rudolph collection in Red Nose Reindeer, and I think this is so cute. Just gonna use a base color, which is this mauvey pink shade right here, and just apply it all across my entire eyelid. Next up, I have my Face Shop Coca-Cola palette. This one has been with me for such a long time. This shade over here, this is a really gorgeous red color. I'm opening up Etude House Rudolph Coming to Town palette. I'm gonna be taking a brown shade and just kind of contour my crease. Next up, I'm using this eyeshadow glitter from this brand called Stimmung. This is a Korean brand and I really like them because they're so like extremely bright. I'm gonna choose this brown shade to just deepen the outer corners of my eyes and just really entirely make the eyes look a little bit more deep set. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting powder. Time to set our foundation. Alright, it's now time for eyeliner. I have my Lilybyred Starry Eyes. This is my brown gel liner. And I'm just very lightly lining my eyes. And this time I'm gonna line it facing downwards so that I get that more innocent puppy looking eyes. And now I'm using my Benefit roller liner to just tight line my lash line as well. And the mascara I'm using is Peripera's Ink Black Cara. You guys already know that I love this mascara. I think it really helps to lengthen and separate your lashes very well, especially if you have straight Asian lashes like me. So right now, I'm gonna go and fill in my Aegyo Sal from my Etude House Play 101. I think all of Etude House's eyeshadow palettes have like some sort of a glittery shadow that can be used in your inner eye corners. For my contour, I'm going in with this one by Peripera as well. This is the V shading in the shade 02. I like this one because it's not as pigmented as my Hola bronzer. So on days where I'm creating like a more like Korean style makeup look, something that needs very much more diffusing, I would use this palette instead. And also there are like 3 brown shades inside, which makes it really good for everyone. I'm gonna go in with a really nice Sweet Peach Peony blush. It's from NUDESTIX. And also, let's go in with the powder cheek product. This one is from the brand Lilybyred, and it's in the shade 08. Applying it over, but I'm concentrating it right in the middle as well so that I can build up the color. For my lips today, I'm going in with Etude's RD313. So this one is one of my favorite colors to wear, and it has a very nice blend between a fuchsia as well as a red, which I think is very suitable for this look today. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. Let me go grab my hat and accessories and I'll be back. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!